What's going on, DIYers? That stands for do it yourself. You guys have one of the most powerful themes online at your whim right now, and I want you to really take advantage of utilizing this theme. Do not rush it, do not throw it together. This website has the potential to be as beautiful as you want it to be. We've sent you multiple examples of customers designing their websites, how it looks. We have some on the digitalbrands.marketing website that you've seen. So what you want to do is make sure you're taking inspiration from other sites, borrowing a little bit of confidence in designing your site. The only hard part of designing this template is designing a banner if you don't have any design skills. But it's a really cool app out there called canva.com. Canva.com allows you to log in and really just, go really fast and making some banners. I'm not going to go through that process right now, but Canva.com allows you to make your own banners really fast. If you don't have the budget to just get one designed from us, go to Canva.com and make your own banner. Banners from us would be an additional $60. But that's not what this video is about. This video is to show you guys a couple tips and tricks, really quick hacks on how to upload your logo. We're noticing that customers are sometimes having issues with their logos and making them look beautiful on your new website. So I'm going to show you how to make your logo look beautiful. So once you log into your store, this is how your store will look in the back end of your website. To get to the back end of your website, you want to enter in your name.myshopify.com/admin. That's how you get to the back end once you create a staff account. So you have to create a staff account first. So here are the options. To go to the back end of your site, you want to select where it says online store. Do not select the eyeball. The eyeball takes you to the front end of the store. We want to stay on the back end. Online store. Now we have the theme uploaded here, ready to go, ready for you to drop your content into your website. So as you look at it here, it's like no image. It looks blank. It says welcome to the party because your new website is a party, and hopefully you have a little bit of fun with it. So you're going to select customize to get into the theme. Press customize. Don't press actions. That's a little bit more advanced for coding. Don't worry about any of that. Select customize. And now we're in the back end of your brand new website. As you see, it says no image loading. That was a loading screen. The loading screen is how you can upload your logo and have your logo load out for people to see your branding before the website kicks in. Everything here to the left is step by step on how to control everything here to the right. So everything's in order. Setup instructions, it has a video on how to set up your website. I recommend having the video maybe on your phone and you operating the website on your laptop so you can watch the video and make changes. Or if you have a double screen, have a second screen up or another laptop so you can be watching the video at the same time, right? That's a really cool way. Or I use this Chrome extension sometimes. This Chrome extension is called Tab Resize. I click this and it allows me to have two screens up at once. So I could have my YouTube up on one screen, watching my video, and then I can operate my website here on the other screen, right? So really cool. This Chrome extension, like I said, it allows you to watch your video on the side and then make your changes on the other side. So that's a little tip, trick, hack that I just gave you. So I exit that and I press that back out. So point of this video, if you do not have a logo, your logo automatically populates inside of your theme. And all you have to do if you want to change the name of this up top, you go in order. So this is a logo header bar. So I look here to the left and I select logo header bar, right? Right now, all I have to do is click change the font. And if I change the font here, it changes the font there. All right, this is if you do not have a logo. This is like having a quick text logo. So it's a really cool way if you don't have a logo and you haven't invested yet. But this particular brand does have a logo. She sent me the logo, and a lot of you guys are going to have this logo issue. If you made something on just a little random graphic website versus getting a professional logo designer. A professional logo designer will send you a logo called a PNG file. If you have a JPEG file, which means your logo like this, right? So I'll show you, for example, this logo here, this is a JPEG file, so it has a background. That's how the customer sent it. But this logo here also is a JPEG file. No, it's a PNG file. So you see at the top right here, it says PNG in this corner. So you can't tell it's transparent right now, but if I was to upload this logo, it would be in like an invisible background, a transparent background. But if I upload this purple logo, the logo will show the purple, and then the logo will be inside of it. All right, so I'm going to be working on Monet Unique. So look at this logo, guys. If I upload the logo like this, I'm going to upload all of this box right here inside of the logo file. So watch this. Logo header bar. Upload my logo. All right. It told me that the logo was too big. I didn't even expect it to say that. I was expecting it to just be a big box. So I'm going to show you a different logo, how it would look if it was a big box. All right. That's what I want to show you. All right. Let's try this one. All right. You see how that looks? That doesn't look good. It uploaded the whole picture in the box. Right? We don't want that. So what we have to do is crop this picture and put it in. Now I use Photoshop to get it perfect. If you do not have Photoshop on your computer, again, you can use Canva. Canva will not make your logo as perfect as Photoshop will, but it will look better than this. You can also just crop it through your regular computer also. So if I was to go here, double click the picture, and I hit edit and create, or actually I could have just hit crop, I think. Yep, I can hit crop, and I can crop it right here. You want to get right up on the logo. Crop it. For whatever reason, whenever I save it, it always jumps, but it does save properly. Now I always put like another number behind it, just so it doesn't save over the original copy. All right, so now we got that. Let's see if it looks better. It looks much, much better, right? Now, again, this logo still isn't transparent. So Canva has an option for you to make logos transparent. And if you guys want a service, I think they charge $13 a month or something to do it. And if you guys are interested in doing it yourself monthly, I have a service for you that's $9 a month, and you can remove the background for your pictures unlimited. Just send us an email at jacoby@digitalbrandz.com, and I'll get you that software. So you see how that looks? All right, boom. Now the logo is there. So if I want to try to match that logo, I downloaded this cool little app to my laptop. It's called Color Mania, and I have a PC. So on PC it's called Color Mania. On MacBook it's called Color Slurp. So I can go and grab this color code, and I can scroll down and I can change my background from white to that purple. Voila. Now you can't even tell that it was the wrong color. Boom, and I can save it just like that. Right? And I'm pretty much, now I have my logo saved. Now, because this brand is not eMagic, I'm going to do the correct logo. I usually use Photoshop to crop my photos and remove the background. So I'm going to upload this photo. Boom. And it also said the photo was a little large. So I'm going to crop it first. I crop it right on the photo. Boom. Then I hit my magic eraser and I erase out the black. Now this logo is a little annoying because it has so many little holes in it. It has so many holes, and I gotta try to delete the black out of all of those holes. So I zoom in, use my magic eraser, and I get all the black out. Get all the black out of the logo. So once I get the black out of the logo, I can make it back. I made a mistake and turned it. All right, cool. So I'm going to decrease the size because it's a really large logo. So I'm gonna make it small. Usually logos aren't that big. I don't know why this one was so big, but it's cool. We got it. We're gonna resize this baby. Boom. Resize it. We made it small. So even though it looks really, really small here, I'm gonna save as. I do not save it as a Photoshop design. I save it as a PNG. And I just usually like to put PNG behind it. And then I save it again. All right. So now, remember before, that logo wouldn't work here because it was too big. But now that I made it transparent, I've cropped it down, I've resized it. It's not going to be this big black box. I'm going to grab this little white box. Not this big one, not this middle sized one. I'm going to grab this little square little box. Boom. Boom. And because her font is so small, that's why it looks like that. Or let me double check. Let me see if I messed up. So I'm going to try something else. I'm going to see if it's me. You guys are getting extra credit here. You're getting extra credit. So I'm going to try to do one more just to make sure. So what I'm going to try here is I have an idea because that was kind of small. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Boom. Got to do this again. After my zoom in. All right. So sorry guys. Got to do a little extra work. Maybe you see what we go through on the back end. I know somebody's watching this video and they want to shoot us a tip after seeing us work this hard. Alright, so alright, and then I use it like zoom. So again, I'm not teaching you how to use Photoshop here. That's another class for another time. I'm just showing you what I use. I recommend you using Canva. Again, I don't know if Canva's gonna allow you to get that detail. If you want us to resize your logo for you, you would have to cover that time, and at minimum, we'll remake that logo for you for $30 to do that for you to cover that time of doing it. All right, so make sure you get the right logo file from your logo designer so you don't have to pay me to do that. All right, so now I'm going to try this logo. Upload, let's see if it's bigger. Nope. All right, I was right. So it just made the box longer. Her logo is actually a really small logo, so you can barely see it. So the only way this is going to be really visible is if I put it on a black background. Right, so I put it on a black background and I can make the menu icons red. And what I want to do is I want to try to make the menu icons the same color as her red. So I do my color picker, copy it, click here, boom. And then the cart color is black. I want to make it the same red, boom. All right, cool. So the welcome to the party is purple. I'm going to change that just for, you know, giggles. So it's like a purple and purple. I'm going to change it to a black. And that same color red, I can go down to recently used. just to give it a little bit of flavor. All right, so remember when this loading screen, we want to fix that also. So the loading screen, I'm going to add the logo in the loading screen. Boom. You can barely see it because the background is white, so you want to change the background to black. Boom. So you can see this. So it has two background colors, so you want to make sure you change both so you can see it. So you can do like a cool little gradient. So let's say if she wanted to do, instead of it being black and black, you can do a gradient, have like a black with a red tone, or you can do a red tone at top with a black background. Right? Right, you can get jiggy with it. So I'm just gonna save that. Yeah, so you can even do cool things like making the logo come in different ways. You can zoom in, you can fade in and up, rotate the logo, rotate the logo in, light speed in, hinge, right? Boom. You got some cool things that you can do with this theme. Again, you have one of the most advanced themes on the market. Do not take this thing for granted. Take the time. Don't get your website today and try to launch in 3 days. Take the time to learn your back end of your store. Be professional, be proficient, be proactive, and I wanted to think of another P word, but make some money. So that's the end of this video. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, make sure you reach out to us at digitalbrands.com.